2. Can the state prescribe a plan of salvation? In one of the trials in which I appeared as a witness, a church which operated a children's home for delinquents was in court because the state demanded that a humanistic plan of salvation be taught to all the children. This home had a remarkable record for rehabilitation. Over 90% of the children who passed through its doors for about 30 years are both law-abiding and Christian. Many are now active in the ministry. The state-operated homes have a record of failure in over 90% of cases. The failures, the state-operated welfare agencies, are seeking to control the successes, the Christian homes. The state took the pastor and his homes to court because, instead of psychotherapy, the Bible and Jesus Christ are used to save the children. In other words, the state and its welfare agencies sought to prescribe the plan of salvation which these Christian homes for delinquents must use. Their prescribed plan is plainly humanistic. There are two important issues at stake here. First, the First Amendment is being set aside in that we clearly have an establishment of religion. Welfare agencies across the country operate on a humanistic religious premise and with a humanistic plan of salvation. Tax funds are thus used to promote a religion most Americans do not confess or affirm: humanism. Second, this state-supported and financed religion is persecuting Christianity and trying to force its welfare agencies out of existence. Its premise is that only the humanistic plan of salvation has the right to exist. This premise is not openly stated. It is disguised in the name of various regulations. We are treated to a barrage of propaganda about the supposed abuses which are found in these Christian homes, charges which fail to stand up under investigation. The plain fact is that we have two rival plans of salvation at war today. Humanism seeks to discredit and destroy Christianity and capture America for itself. We have thus a religious war underway in the United States. Humanism versus Christianity. Your future will be determined by the outcome of that battle.